Pagkat monitor daw ay natatanong, pinupugyan niya yung data or information from the room to the microprocessor or the CPU.
Sige man dito.
Na-improve ay store data, store the current settings of the monitor. The current settings of the monitor will not be erased even when the monitor is switched off. Ang EEPROM ay ginagamit para isip ang mga current settings ng monitor. So, anytime when a change is made in the monitor settings, the CPU updates the settings in the EEPROM. Anytime daw nabaguhin ng settings ng monitor, ang CPU ay ina-update ang settings going to EEPROM. With the monitor installed again, the installed settings, EEPROM ay reallocated of the monitor for operation. Actually, pag pinuksan mo ulit daw ang monitor, ang nakasave na settings sa EEPROM I used to set up the monitor from 403. May mga kapit po yun, sir. May mga